How to fix Quicksnap not showing on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Quicksnap not showing on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to update the Instagram. So first, open the Google Play Store on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the Google Play Store, what you can do is you can simply search for the Instagram app, and there if you find the update button, then you can simply tap on it to update the app to the latest version, because the new feature often require the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to log out and log back in. So here what you can do is you can simply open the Instagram app, and now once you're inside the app, you can simply log out from your account. And now here, once you're logged out of your account, you can simply log back in and check if the feature appears or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the app cache. So here, just in case if you're using the Android phone, then what you can do is you can just open the settings app on your phone, and now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here just tap on manage apps, and now here in this section simply search for the Instagram app. And now here, once you search for it, you can just tap on it, and here once you're inside the app settings page, just tap on clear data button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And here once you do it, it will remove all the temporary bugs and app issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reinstall the app. So here, if the feature is still missing, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram app, and after that you can simply reinstall it from the Play Store, and this will refresh the app and can restore the missing feature too. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to feature the availability note. So here keep in mind that Snapchat may not be available for all the reason. So here Instagram sometimes releases feature gradually. So here you can just be patient and wait for Quicksnap to get to your phone quickly as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.